Hi, I'm Don from Echomaster, division of AMP Global. We're here today at the SEMA Show 2019 to show you some of the new products that we have. Some of these new products include our entire new line of high definition cameras for the commercial vehicles. These cameras are all 720p resolution and give a perfect high definition picture directly to the monitors that they're paired up with. So a couple of the models that we have on display today are this dual version, which gives you a 105-degree camera and also a 120-degree camera, allowing you to have a rear view and a downward view behind the vehicle. All of these cameras have a high IP rating of 67 or greater to be mounted on the vehicle and last for a long time. We have other styles like a front style, a mini dome that can be mounted on the front of the vehicle. This one can be converted into a low definition camera just by simply cutting a wire on the back side. If we move on down to the next camera here, you'll see that this camera is a very small mini camera that mounts on the back. It's different from your standard universal style because it is FMVSS 111 compliant, which follows all government regulated guidelines put forth by the US government. Those cameras are immediately paired with the 7-inch monitors in either a 2-channel or a 4-channel. These monitors can display in multiple styles to include 2 up, 3 up, 4 up, depending on the view that the driver or user is desiring. Next, we have full view and standard view mirrors. Our full view mirror has a 720p camera mounted on the rear of the vehicle, and this camera allows for a high definition view of out the back of what you can't see. In the top picture you'll see in a Jeep Wrangler, all you see is the headrest and the spare tire. You can barely see the Tesla or the 18-wheeler behind. If you look in the secondary mirror, which is our full view, you'll see that it's an unobstructed view behind the vehicle